See, you don't need a smoker, you don't need a grill, just two in the oven. Happy New Year, everyone. Today we're gonna make a brisket for those of you that doesn't have a smoker or a grill. Huge. We're gonna start by washing our meat, and we're gonna trim the excess fat from the meat. I'm gonna get this big fat chunky here. And also I'm gonna trim on the edges, just like that. Yeah, don't go crazy about it because we like the fat. We're gonna use a lot of garlic. We're gonna use mustard to bind. Don't worry because it's not gonna taste like mustard at all. We'll be using rock salt. Do not use regular salt. Be generous. Put that salt everywhere. Black pepper. Now with the foil, you're gonna cover the meat like that, just like that. And then you're gonna flip it. So just repeat the process. So you're gonna put salt, black pepper. Make sure you put your fat part side up and your garlic on top of the fat because the garlic juice is gonna drip down on the meat. Now let's wrap it up, the meat with the foil. You have to wrap this really well. Preheat your oven for 350 Fahrenheit. You're gonna put the meat inside and you're gonna leave it for 5 hours. After 5 hours, take your meat out and you're gonna remove all the foil and you're gonna put the meat back in the oven for 2 hours on 350 Fahrenheit. And here's the final product, guys. Beautiful. You know, some of the barbecue guys, the smoker guy, the griller guy, they're gonna wanna kill me now, man. All right, come on. Look at that. Look how juicy it is. I mean, come on, guys. This is crazy, yo. Let's do the taste now. Let me cut a piece here. See? All the mumbo jumbo with the grill and the smoker and 12 hours and all that. You don't need that, guys. Come on. Look this. So soft. Crispy. Very crispy. Unbelievable. Just like the way I showed you. You're gonna love it.